Who put him in the losers?
Oh,
though?
put him in losers, Gyro.
Yeah.
Ah.
So Luca beating Gyro, robbing Kamikaze of his run back.
All right.
Just go straight in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The go hits and Sonic's rolling.
That's such a good option in this game. So many people start off their matches sort of dropping down to neutral, playing it around, but when you charge in right away, they're not expecting it. That's what Sonido did and got a quick 59.
Let's go. All right. Finally, Dr.Copter finding his own opening right now. Oh, good nair. Down air. Up air. Oh, but the up air of his own.
Georgia has
Oh, gosh.
a solid Greninja, don't they?
Not that I know of, but I don't know much of Georgia out.
I think they have been, yeah. I don't know if they have been yet.
I thought they did.
But Sonido definitely traveling enough, going to a bunch of tournaments that
yeah,
he's
he went to
definitely
CEO.
played some good Greninjas.
Oh, but up there. Yeah. Definitely taking it. Yeah. Dr.Copter in such a bad... Up air. Back air. Back air. Oh my god, this percent. You didn't get like further down under the platform and try to get the back air.
Man. Copter's glasses are fucking bothering me. And then...
You don't like the sunglasses flipping up to normal glasses?
So
Can't stand that style.
excited right now. 56% on our number 1 PR player.
I think he needs to pull him off and whip out his persona with him, because he's struggling here.
Does Dr.Copter play another character?
No, it's just because Joker throws off his glasses and he gets his persona.
Yeah.
I thought he was actually played Joker.
No, dude,
I mean,
Copter
he
with
might,
Joker
but-
would be.
Oh, it's
that was
side
very
a little
good.
weird.
Yeah, good option. Or do our tips was the second best version? I know.
Alright, top air. Oh, jab blocks.
Oh, good.
Trying to get it through.
Not Smash 4 jab blocks though,
Yeah.
or Brawl.
Oh, patient from Sonido.
But Copter's definitely started off poorly, but he's slowly bringing it back.
Definitely.
Even if he loses this game, game 2 may be a much different story.
Okay. Trying to look for the dash attack.
Oh,
good
angle
job.
down S.
Yeah, very, very convincing for game
what
1
is-
from Sonido.
What's his Hunter tag for? Is that for player 1? Hunter?
I think that might...
Or is that his name?
His name is Miles, isn't it? Oh, you know what Kamikaze's real name would be in Europe? Kilometers. Kilometers. His name Miles in the US.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait,
I didn't know
so,
if it was for Hunter Rogers, player 1.
That's good.
So, quick question. Is it Hunter X Hunter or Hunter Hunter?
I've always heard of Hunter.
Hunter.
Okay.
People who say Hunter X Hunter usually have super low IQ.
Well, he is going a different character.
That's what I've
Wow,
been told.
I must be outside of that bell curve. I must be a very big exception to that rule.
didn't know he had a youngling.
I'm excited.
Alright, like he knew.
Yeah, I think he knew.
Alright. Okay.
Still sticking with the froppy tag, even when he's not a frog.
Oh, good forward air. Another forward air, maybe? Oh. Ooh, that was a good movement from Hunter. I mean, Sonido. Dang it. Good back air, back air.
Oh.
Down air.
Youngling taking the lead.
Oh, this seems a lot better than what the Greninja was doing.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
He can stop Sonic's approaches a lot better.
Yeah,
than
oh,
Greninja
for
can.
sure.
Oh,
Not
Spin
that,
Dash just
though,
went
yeah.
the boomerang.
Josh. Looking for it.
Did you see that wave cheat?
Yeah, he did. Shake my
In
head.
my good Christian Sash Ultimate. Oh, the parry!
Up air?
Looking
for the up air.
Yeah.
He almost
Still,
got it.
Oh! Wow, that was
was
right in
that?
action. I don't know.
He went for an up B, and then I think he connected a back air.
alright.
Yeah. We're about to head out. Oh, we're about to head out? Alright.
That's
That's good kill, but is he? Oh, and he's living.
Can you hand me my charger, by the way?
Oh, yeah. Our fellow commentator, PMT Carlos, all the way from Knoxville, hopping out.
Yep. Thanks. please come. Hope you guys can come to the Knoxville's Weeklies. We host him every Sunday at 3 p.m. Or if you want to check our stream, it is twitch.tv/Battlefield Knoxville. All right, I'm signing out. Best of luck for you, bro.
Have a good one, dude.
You too,
Drive safe.
You too.
Really? Seems that Sonido's adapted to Dr. Copter's new character. He's got the percent lead, but struggling to kill, which wasn't something he struggled to do against the Greninja. Oh, sorry.
Ah, man, he still had the bomb in hand.
Oh, and it's dead. Yeah, definitely. Back though, it's not.
See, whenever he just keeps charging like that, I think he's gonna roll, and then he just when he jumps like
charging,
that,
yeah.
I didn't know that was a thing.
The real mix-up.
I don't remember being able to do that in Project M. Project
Couldn't do
Management.
a lot of them in Project Management.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, Nintendo might be watching. We can't talk about Project M. I mean Management.
Project Management.
Interesting. Dr. Copter just throwing out some stuff, but obviously with Sonido wasn't gonna be.
Oh, and that
good.
actually.
Fire him up
he
there.
was at a really high percent. I didn't realize that.
Yeah. Still, it doesn't seem like a young league struggling to kill as much as some people say. Tech chase?
Nice. Went for that reverse up tilt. He keeps getting caught. Like it seems like every time he goes for up B, he ends up getting hit by back air.
Yeah. Twice that game.
Let's go. You want it? Thanks, man. What flavor is it? Honey?
I need to get one of those.
Really good. I got the winter melon tea.
Wintermelon's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Honey
Sorry.
milk is really good too.
Oh, I need to try that one.
What's that?
I like the peach punch one too.
I don't think I've had that one.
It's really good. It's got like real chunks of peaches in it mixed in with the boba.
Is that a milk tea?
No.
That's usually what I get.
Oh, okay.
I need the calcium.
For those of you wondering, there's a really good boba tea place right next to this venue. Next scene.
Pretty baller.
A lot of good restaurants and scenery right around this venue at Stone Cup Cafe, Chattanooga.
Wait, has he been going on like the entire set? Or have they
But Dr. Copter still keeping it even. Ooh, bomb there. Good
I
capitalization.
didn't expect him to jump into that.
Yeah. But apparently Copter did.
He had to read.
Yeah. Copter not falling for those F smashes anymore.
Which is good.
Yeah. He's
But-
adapting.
Oh, he managed to make it back. He's got to get rid of that bomb.
Ah.
I thought it comes I got tapped in like it hit something, but actually that was good. Like,
You think this is going to be a clean 3-0?
I
Right
feel
now
like
it's
it's likely,
looking
but
at
I wouldn't
it.
count Dr. Copter out yet. Oh. No, he's still living. I may counter out. Maybe another 3-0.
The screen went black, so I thought the stream just went down.
Oh.
He has dark stream. Yeah, Streamlabs.
Going for
Oh,
the
he went
hard
for the
read there.
read. He was expecting an air dodge or something.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was last stock for Copter. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's looking like this is going to be a
It's looking grim.
bad one for our boy. Nice nair. Then the smile. Copter just did a big old cheese.
He's just happy he didn't get 3 stocked. Oh, back airs? No.
I'm leaving too, guys.
bye, Jose. See you, Spencer. Hey, Mark. Mark. We were about to leave to get Boba. That's so smart.